Welcome back to the Furious Vibe, the channel where horsepower meets home comfort and innovation rides on four wheels. If you're into RVs, campers, or the latest in mobile living tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something special coming out of Japan, the 2026 Toyota Camroad motorhome, specifically the Leo model. This isn't your average camper. It's a compact powerhouse that's redefining what small motorhomes can offer, especially for adventurers who crave functionality without sacrificing style. The 2026 Toyota Camroad Leo is built on Toyota's updated Camroad chassis, which is known for its reliability and maneuverability, particularly on narrow roads and in tight camping spots. Powered by a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, it delivers a smooth yet capable driving experience. It's not about brute force here, it's about refined control and exceptional fuel efficiency. Two things that matter most when you're spending hours on the road. The compact size of the Leo also means it can be driven with an ordinary Japanese license, making it more accessible for a wider range of drivers. Step inside, and the Leo surprises you with a warm and cleverly designed interior. The layout is incredibly efficient, with high-quality finishes and a use of space that rivals larger RVs. There's a spacious dinette that converts into a bed, offering comfortable sleeping for 2 to 3 people. The kitchen area is compact but fully functional, featuring a 2-burner stove, a stainless steel sink, and a refrigerator neatly integrated into the cabinetry. Storage compartments are tucked into every available corner, maximizing utility without cluttering the interior. The craftsmanship is unmistakably Japanese, minimal, functional, and polished. One of the standout features of the 2026 Leo model is its upgraded electrical system. It includes a lithium battery setup paired with solar panels, allowing for extended off-grid stays. There's also a new touchscreen control panel for managing lighting, climate, and battery levels, a touch of modern luxury that makes a big difference on the road. The air conditioning and heating systems have been fine-tuned for both summer and winter comfort, giving you a reliable all-season motorhome experience. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Camroad Leo comes equipped with Toyota's latest suite of driver assist features, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance systems. Even with its compact size, the Leo offers a commanding view of the road and tight steering that feels intuitive whether you're navigating city streets or winding rural routes. For RV enthusiasts looking for a dependable, stylish, and fully equipped compact motorhome, the 2026 Toyota Camroad Leo is a serious contender. It blends the heart of a Toyota truck with the soul of a cozy cabin on wheels, all wrapped into a package that's efficient, user-friendly, and built to last. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your van-like journey, the Leo gives you the freedom to roam without leaving comfort behind. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into the world of next-gen RVs and travel rigs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay locked into the Furious Vibe. We bring the road to your screen, one machine at a time.